L3Harris Technologies is ready to rocket since it has broken ground on 5 new solid rocket motor facilities in Virginia, marking a significant expansion of its rocket motor manufacturing infrastructure. The new facilities will feature a modular factory design, incorporating robotic flex cells, automated progressive casting, and improved handling and assembly throughout the production line. This expansion is made possible through a Defense Production Act Title III cooperative agreement and will complement the company's existing 256,000 square feet of manufacturing space in Virginia, which hosts the Center of Excellence for Propellant Research and small to medium-sized solid rocket motor production. The new facilities will include a 12,000 square foot state-of-the-art solid rocket motor cast and assembly facility, a control room, and facilities to support mixing and grinding operations, as well as upgrades to the site's motor testing capabilities. By centralizing production under one roof, L3Harris aims to reduce the distance motors travel during manufacturing by 90%, increasing efficiency and productivity. According to Ken Bedingfield, Aerojet Rocketdyne's new president and CFO at L3Harris, this expansion will support the nation's defense propulsion needs and complement the company's existing advanced propulsion research and production capabilities. In addition to the Virginia expansion, L3Harris is also modernizing and expanding its solid rocket motor production in other states. The company is constructing new facilities in Camden, Arkansas, and transitioning production of inert components for critical missile systems to align with the site's core competencies in Huntsville, Alabama. L3Harris has also been awarded a contract by the Canadian Commercial Corporation to supply 16 Wescom MX-20 surveillance and targeting systems for the Royal Canadian Air Force's P-8A aircraft. These systems will play a critical role in conducting maritime and overland patrol and reconnaissance missions, providing advanced imaging capabilities to support Canada's national security. Tom Kirkland, Vice President and General Manager of Targeting and Sensor Systems at L3Harris, emphasized that integrating the Wescom MX-20 with the P-8A aircraft will equip Canada with a highly reliable and advanced imaging solution, essential for enhancing maritime and national security, particularly in the Arctic region. Yes, that frozen region up north that could become the next geopolitical hotspot this century as territorial disputes and claims intensify as resource competition increases there. This latest contract builds on L3Harris' previous agreement to supply Wescom MX-20 systems for Canada's fleet of MQ-9B Skyguardian remotely piloted aircraft. With approximately 8,000 Wescom MX Series EO and IR systems delivered to customers worldwide, L3Harris has established itself as a leading provider of advanced imaging solutions, supporting a wide range of air, land, and sea missions on over 260 different platforms in more than 87 countries. As a major player in the aerospace and defense industry, L3Harris specializes in end-to-end technology solutions that connect various domains in national security. The company's expertise and capabilities have positioned it for significant projects, including the $175 billion Golden Dome System project in the United States. With its proven track record and advanced technology solutions, L3Harris continues to play a vital role in supporting national security and defense initiatives around the world. L3Harris has been tapped to play a significant role in the development of the Golden Dome Missile Defense System, a $175 billion project announced by President Donald Trump's administration. The system is slated for completion in under 3 years and will leverage L3Harris satellite technology. As a leading aerospace and defense company, L3Harris has carved out a niche in developing mission-critical solutions for governments and commercial customers, positioning it well to benefit from the development of the Golden Dome system. The company's involvement in significant defense programs is expected to bolster its revenue base, with J.P. Morgan reiterating an overweight rating on the stock with a $255 price target. L3Harris has a strong track record of delivering advanced technology solutions, and its recent deals demonstrate its growing presence in the defense industry. For example, the company is currently completing a $125 million expansion at Fort Wayne and has inked a $214 million order deal under Germany's digitalization land-based program to deliver interoperable communication systems to enhance the capabilities of the German armed forces. With an annual revenue base of around $21 billion, L3Harris has a long history of rewarding investors with dividends, having paid out dividends for 55 years. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.